Hello fellow practitioners! In this video I would like to show you some new features of Prana Breath version 7.0. And the first little improvement is right in the main menu. This first section is now collapsible. You just press on the lungs image and it is hidden. Press again and it is shown again, like this. Alright, let me go to Training tab and show you the actual features. And for this update, I'm honored to present the 8th default pattern for the free version, and it is called Cigarette Replace. It is a very nice pattern to practice if you are on the way of quitting smoking, as it helps you to eliminate cigarette cravings. New features for this tab. If you touch and hold in the center, you can see this dialog of choosing training types, and you can choose any other training type from here, like this one, for instance. And also, you can reorder the training types by touching, dragging and dropping any item to any place. Alright, let me move to the Control tab and see what new things we got there. And there we see the little menu button on the right on the training type with the items that let us edit, duplicate, export, delete the training and see some information about it. I would like to point out that edit and delete items are not available for the default trainings. Okay, and let me show you the new cool feature for this update. And it is called Repose Cycle. It is here, as you can see. So what is repose cycle? It is the special cycle that doesn't have any breathing phases. So it just have the duration, right? So it is used to restore breathing between complicated cycles. For instance, this cycle, well, it's really complicated. And during this repose cycle, you can restore your breathing, or you can use it just for meditating without concentrating on your breath. So let me show you how it works. Let us copy this cycle and let me make it with the repose cycle. Press Ratio, Advanced, and in this spinner we choose Repose Cycle, and you can see that only ratio is available for it. You can make it fractional or with constant time or with both or neither one. Press Apply, and we have 5 for the ratio and 5 for sec per unit. That means we have 25 seconds for the duration of this cycle. Alright, and you can see that this training type is made of both breathing cycles and repose cycles. But you can make the whole training that consists of only repose cycles, and that will be called meditation. So let me show that to you. You go back to Control tab, press plus to create the new training, and we make it not breathing session but meditation. Type a name, let it be 1, and we edit. And we set the ratio, let it be 20. So I will have 7 minutes for total training duration, 20 for the ratio, and 3 sec per unit for this repose cycle, and 20 times 30 is 60. So that means that during this 7-minute meditation session, I will have a phase transition sound signal every minute. So it helps me to navigate during my meditation, to keep track of time this way. And I don't need to look at the screen at all. Alright, let me show what new things we've got in settings. Let me switch to the dark theme. So our new training chart that is called Asteroids is visible better. Let me show that to you on an example of calming. So we start this pattern and we can see the new training chart. You can see those little asteroids flying back and forth. Alright, and also there is a asteroid circle that decreases from the inside once we are practicing, and it represents the total training duration. And also now it's very easy to mute the training if we need to. Just go to menu and use this little sound switch on the right of the sounds tab. And we can turn it on back again very easily. So let us see what else we have in sounds tab. And here we have a new option to pick your own custom file for the background sound style. For instance, we pick this, pick browse, find the music that we would like, let it be this one, press OK. And also there is one more option that is called mute phases. It is the special feature that lots of you have been asking for, and that is making your breath holding phases mute without any sounds. We can make both of them, all of them, or just one of them as mute. Let me make retain as mute and show that to you. So we can hear some music. During retain phases we don't hear any of music. And then our melody is back. As you can notice, it is the melody from my cell phone, it's not from the app. Alright, and also one more little feature that we have is that we can sort reminders now by triggering time, if it is more comfortable with us. Alright, I hope that you will enjoy your breathing practicing even more now, and we will see you soon